All right, I tried this before in an earlier video. Let's see if I can summon my car down the driveway. I'm gonna hold this until it blinks. I think it's ready. Now you go forward. Let's see. Okay, if you've been watching previous videos, I've tried to summon my car before in this driveway. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now forward. Push this little key fob. There we go. It's coming down. There's nobody in the driver's seat, just so you know. And I am here, of course, recording this video. Oh, it stopped. It gets really steep there. I think I had a problem before. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Maybe not right now. Yeah, I don't think it wants to go. I think it's too steep for it. I'd like to, but it's just not going to go. So that's it for today. That's all my car's going to do.